Good morning guys, welcome back to my another video, and today we will continue to explore Kotor, but first of all, breakfast. So let's cooking.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.
I want to show you guys a very beautiful place, and now we're heading there.
Today guys, we decided to visit the other side of Kotor, opposite side of the old town, and it's so quiet and peaceful place. And I guess it will be very cool idea to come here to be alone with yourself and admire nature. Look at the view behind me, it's really amazing.
They say that if you have been to Montenegro but have not seen the Bay of Kotor, then you have not seen Montenegro. The Bay of Kotor is the most beautiful and popular place in Montenegro. Montenegrin fjords, sea canyon, simply Boca. This is how the Bay of Kotor is called. It's the largest bay in the Adriatic Sea. It's surrounded by mountains of grey-blue color. Cities such as Kotor, Perast, Herceg-Novi and Tivat are located here.
But the one bad thing is that there are no sidewalks at all or embankments, only small piers, and it's really not comfortable.
Now I want to show you what the city looks like on this side. There are very nice stone buildings here, it makes everything very cozy. But there is one thing that makes life here not very comfortable. This is the complete absence of sidewalks. Consequently, people should walk along the road with cars. It's very dangerous. In addition, the road is very narrow and it's difficult to get away from oncoming cars, even if you have a very small car. There is also a bay on one side of the road. It creates a very exciting environment and you cannot relax in the car and admire the scenery. Now you can see such a situation. It's an incredibly beautiful place, but I think the coolest option if you are a tourist would be to rent a boat and admire it from there.
So guys, let's talk about restaurants in Kotor. We were here in the restaurant yesterday and the restaurant has a very high rating, but the food was really disgusting. We ordered burgers, beer and lemonade. So the burgers were very salty and moist. The lemonade is just water with a few points of lemon juice. And as we understand it, it's not a rare situation here. There are a lot of similar reviews about restaurants of Kotor, unfortunately. So we decided to cook at home. It will be better, we think.
Now we have come to the shopping center, which is located near the city center. By the way, there is paid parking here. Here are the payment conditions. If you buy something at the mall for a certain amount, then you can leave the car in the parking lot for a while. Sometimes we leave our car here when we go for a walk in the city. All shops are closed on Sunday in Montenegro. But today everything is open and we will now go to the Roma grocery store for groceries. A lot of different vegetables. I don't even know what we need. I think I want to buy mint and make a non-alcoholic mojito. Also, there are different fruits and berries. Oh, and here are my favorite Italian breakfast toasts. Try them, it's very tasty. Oh, I need cheese, lots of cheese. I love cheese, especially French cheese and of course Italian gorgonzola. Wow, such beautiful Easter eggs. I want to cook pasta. That's why I need pasta sauce. I think it's going to be tomato sauce. And of course I need pasta. I prefer Barilla. Look at this Nutella, very funny. And my fave sweets with marzipan. I think we should definitely buy them for tea.
So guys, we decided to have dinner at home tonight. So we went to the store, bought groceries, and now I'm going to cook dinner. It will be pasta with seafood. I hope it will be tasty. So let's cook.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make.
So guys, I suggest you find out the main sites of the old town. In front of us is the main site of Kotor, as well as the main city cathedral. It was built in the middle of the 12th century, therefore it's considered one of the oldest religious buildings in Montenegro. Unfortunately, in the 17th century the facade of the building as well as both bell towers were destroyed by a strong earthquake. But restoration work was carried out, the temple was restored, and we can admire that beautiful building even now. Now we have come out with you to the most famous and also the largest square of Kotor. It's called Armory Square. It was here that the clock tower was built, near which the pillory is still located. In ancient times it was used to punish criminals. But now the square is a meeting place for business partners, friends and couples in love. And it's on this square that the country's first theater is located, which was opened in the early 19th century. This is another famous temple of Kotor. It's called the Church of St. Nicholas. It's located in the very north of the old town. The temple was built in the early 20th century on the foundation of an ancient church, which was destroyed by fire. This temple is an important Orthodox center of Montenegro. There are many famous temples and churches in Kotor, and I want to show you another interesting church. It's called St. Luke's Church. The church was founded in the early 12th century and has been opening its doors to Christians for several centuries. It's amazing that the church has been preserved in its original appearance. Let's go inside. So beautiful. Until the 17th century, there were two altars here, but now only the Orthodox one remains.
Now guys, I want to show you one interesting thing in Kotor. Here it is.
It's a very cool thing. You can bring empty plastic bottles, put them in the vending machine, and the cats will get food. Now you can see how that lady does it. It's so great that you can help animals in this way. All these cats need your help.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't be stop. Don't you stop.
And also guys, I noticed that there are always a lot of tourists at any time of the year.
Finally, we decided to climb the fortress wall at the southern gate of the city. Look at the fantastic view of the Kotor Bay from here. It's really amazing. Let's take a little walk along the fortress wall. From here you can see what the residential non-tourist part of the city looks like. Everything is so nice and cozy. There are so many flowers on the window of houses. Next time we will definitely climb into the fortress and also visit the cable car. But now we can see the fortress right from here, as well as admire the views of the bay, and this is a wonderful end to the evening. I saw another observation point. Let's take a look at it. Great view, really great view. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you. Bye bye.